Hello, good day, my friends, and I once welcome you all to Stream-Based Farms Limited. Here we are. Follow me inside. Here is the compound. By my left side is the 3 stores, while by my right side is the security house. It's an upstairs, and the work is going on. The people over there is the people that mold the block, because the block we have here has finished. So while we call people that mold block to be molding it here, is for us to get the standard of the blocks we need, not because we don't have money to buy it from the company or any organization, but for us to get the standard that we need. Those companies that sells block outside, they do it in quantity for them to gain or have the profit. And in such company like this, we don't do something in quantity. We do a standard work. Everything that is going on here is standard. So we do build our own block here and give them the right measurements so that our structure will be strong. Then looking at it, there is nothing like any cracking of block or wall. And here we produce all the blocks we use for fence, both the security and the stores, even the main poultry house. We don't buy anyone outside because of the reasons I said it earlier, that the company outside, those companies that sells block, they do it in quantity for them to gain it. But here we do a quality work. We don't mind how much the cement or the sand is in the market, but we'll try to give the accurate and the standard measurement of everything here. Let's go closer to the people that mold the block. Here they are, and the work is ongoing. When looking, the one on ground is very neat. All our work here, everything is measured to give the right results. Not tomorrow we'll start maybe shaking or complaining that this wall break, that this wall did this, that this wall did that, just because of the economizing of the material. But here we don't economize anything like material. We give everything accurate. Normal standard. What we are building here is a standard company. I will advise you, as a starter, you that have made the mistake early, but now you want to correct it. I want you people to emulate from what is going on here in the company, Shrimp Breast Farms Limited. Forget about how much it will cost, but do it so that it will last and it will give a right result in the future. I will keep on updating you every day by day while the work is ongoing. Good afternoon, my friends. I welcome you back to Shrimp Breast Farms Limited. The motto you are seeing are the people that supplies the sand for molding of the block. As you can see, they have shipped the sand. The sand is made for molding of the block. And here is the first one. This is the second one. Yeah, this is the people that supplies the cement. Here is the motor that supplies the cement. This is 25 bags of cement that supplied, and they are still coming more and more. It's meant for molding of the block, and now the cement is costly. Then, during the time of the COVID-19, it was 2,600 they sold one bag, but now it's 3,800 per bag. It's costly. YouTube or Instagram.